Hello YouTubers. Hey, I've got something a little different for you today. In my driftwood pile, I had a lot of thoughts. I thought, well, I'm going to start me a little bird feeder display here. I hollowed out the top of my wood spears here in this section, and I have this piece here that was quite a shape already that I could fill up with bird seed. And I had a cardinal feeder on the deck, and I had a lot of cardinals come up there. So I thought if I could lure them down here with some good bird feed, that would be great. But I'll tell you what I run into. I'm going to show you what I run into. The squirrels like bird food, and any kind of bird food. They clean it up. So in the daytime, I have the squirrels to contend with. And I have attracted some cardinals, which I'll show in some of this video. But main thing I want you to see is the nighttime critters that I have to deal with. And there's a couple of different species that I have at nighttime that comes in here and picks around what's scattered off the ground, but it's kind of interesting how they do. The cardinal will be here, see a squirrel coming, it'll leave till the squirrel gets done, then it'll come back. So it's kind of interesting to see, and I thought it was worthwhile to put on the channel here and kind of see. Let me know what you think about it. It's kind of something different, out of the ordinary to look at, but I hope you find it interesting. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you like it, and if you want to see more, and give it a thumbs up. I'd appreciate that. Or a thumbs down if you don't like it. And leave a comment. Let me know what you think about this one. So stay with me. I'll show you what happened.
As you are about to see here, the cardinals and the squirrels do share a little. But the squirrel decides he wants nothing to do with the groundhog. The night starts out with Mama Coon doing a little foraging and just turning things over for curiosity's sake. After checking things out for herself, she decides to invite the kids in to help. She soon discovers what she seems to be looking for and decides to keep it all for herself. However, they prove to be persistent little guys and keep trying to get in on the good stuff. As the night continues, they all seem to be enjoying the festivities. It seems the raccoon suddenly left the area. I had to wonder why. Could it be because of the fox? The fox wasn't the only one to interrupt the party. Now a skunk makes an appearance. Finally, she has had all she can stand of her pesky little kids and tells them it's time to go to bed. Early the next morning, the squirrel came back to see what was left. After a somewhat thorough investigation, he decided it was all gone and hurriedly scampered away. I decided I would give the coon family another night of blissful treats and put out another round of food. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing. That would certainly be appreciated, and thanks for watching.